I can't listen to the silence anymore. It's getting louder by the second, and I'm tired of keeping score. I can't tell you all lies I've lived before, but I must have done some horrid things to warn these thoughts I've formed. Maybe it'd be beneficial to become more superficial. People tend to like being lied to, but I'm becoming well acquainted with the ghosts inside my basement. They hate me as much as I do. Maybe it's my fate, maybe that's okay. Maybe I was never destined for anything great. It just sounds nice to keep an old